Every second of every day, your body is under attack, not by something you can see, but by millions of invisible invaders. Bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microscopic organisms are constantly searching for a way in. So why aren't you sick all the time? How does your body know the difference between a harmless visitor and a dangerous enemy? How can tiny cells, invisible to the naked eye, communicate, organize, and launch a perfectly timed counterattack? And perhaps the biggest mystery of all, how does your immune system remember an enemy it fought years ago and defeat it faster the next time? Inside you is an extraordinary defense force that never sleeps, that never takes a day off, and has been protecting you since the moment you were born. But when this incredible system makes even the smallest mistake, the consequences can be life-changing. Today, we're stepping inside the invisible battlefield hidden within your own body to uncover the remarkable science of how it fights disease and why this silent war is one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Every second of every day, your body is under attack, not by wild animals or dangerous storms, but by microscopic invaders so small that millions could fit on the head of a pin. Viruses drift through them. Air, bacteria cling to every day. Objects, fungi release invisible spores. Parasites lurk in food and water, yet most of the time, you don't even notice. Why? Because inside your body, an extraordinary defense force is already at work. It never sleeps. It never stops patrolling, and it can identify, chase, and destroy enemies with astonishing precision. This incredible network is called the immune system. It's one of the most complex biological systems on Earth, made up of trillions of cells working together like a perfectly coordinated army. But unlike soldiers on a battlefield, these defenders don't fight with weapons. They fight with chemistry, communication, and memory. Today's journey takes us inside this invisible war to discover how your body detects disease, destroys dangerous invaders, remembers past enemies, and why this remarkable system is one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Let's begin where every battle starts, at the body's front door. Imagine your body as a heavily guarded fortress. Every fortress needs walls. Your first line of defense isn't deep inside your body. It's your skin. Skin is much more than a covering. It's a living shield made of tightly packed cells that create a physical barrier against germs. Every day, billions of microbes land on your skin. Most never get inside. But your skin has another trick. Its surface is slightly acidic, making it an unfriendly place for many harmful bacteria. Even your sweat helps. It contains natural chemicals that slow the growth of dangerous microbes. And your tears? They aren't just for emotions. They contain enzymes that can break apart certain bacteria before they cause trouble. Your saliva, mucus, and stomach acid all work together as powerful natural defenses. In fact, your stomach acid is so strong that it has a pH close to that of battery acid. Most germs that enter with your food never survive the journey. It's like trying to invade a fortress through a river of acid. But some invaders are clever. They sneak through cuts in your skin. Others enter through your nose or lungs, and that's when the real battle begins. The moment a dangerous germ crosses your body's defenses, tiny guardian cells notice something unusual. These are the immune system's scouts. They constantly patrol your tissues looking for anything that doesn't belong. Instead of recognizing every possible disease individually, they search for common warning signs shared by many microbes. The instant they detect danger, they send out chemical alarm signals. Think of it as pulling a massive emergency alarm inside a city. Within minutes, nearby blood vessels widen, blood flow increases. That's why infected areas often become red and warm. Fluid leaks into surrounding tissue. Swelling begins. Special chemicals irritate nearby nerves. You experience pain. These aren't signs that your body is losing. They're signs that it's fighting back. This process is called inflammation. Although it can feel uncomfortable, inflammation is one of the fastest ways your body brings reinforcements to the battlefield. Now the immune system launches its rapid response. White blood cells race through your bloodstream like emergency vehicles speeding toward an accident. One group is especially impressive. They're called macrophages. Their name literally means big eaters, and that's exactly what they do when they encounter bacteria. They stretch around them, swallow them whole, and digest them using powerful enzymes. Imagine a microscopic vacuum cleaner that hunts enemies instead of dust. but macrophages don't just destroy invaders, they also collect evidence after consuming a germ. They display tiny fragments of it on their surface. These fragments become wanted posters that help activate the next stage of the immune response. This is where your body's defense becomes truly extraordinary. The adaptive immune system is slower to respond but far more precise. Here, specialized white blood cells called lymphocytes take over. There are two main heroes, B cells and T cells. B cells act like advanced weapons factories. Once they identify an invader, they begin producing antibodies. Antibodies are tiny proteins designed to fit a specific germ, like a key fits a lock. Each antibody attaches to its target with incredible accuracy. Some stop viruses from entering healthy cells, others mark bacteria, so other immune cells can destroy them more easily. Meanwhile, killer T cells have a completely different mission. Viruses often hide inside your own cells. That makes them difficult to detect. Killer T cells inspect your body's cells one by one. If they discover a cell that has been infected, they destroy it before the virus has a chance to spread. It's a remarkable sacrifice. Sometimes the immune system must eliminate one of your own cells to save millions of others. Now comes one of biology's greatest achievements: memory. After defeating an infection, most immune cells retire, but not all of them. Some become memory cells. These cells can survive for years, sometimes decades. They remember exactly what the invading germ looked like. If the same virus or bacterium attacks again, your immune system doesn't have to start from scratch. It recognizes the threat almost instantly. The response becomes dramatically faster and stronger. In many cases, the infection is destroyed before you even notice any symptoms. This biological memory is the reason vaccines work. Instead of exposing your body to a dangerous disease, vaccines safely introduce your immune system to a harmless version or small piece of the germ. Your body practices the battle in advance. Then, if the real enemy ever appears, your immune system is already prepared. It's like giving your soldiers a detailed training exercise before the real war begins. Even the most sophisticated defense system isn't perfect. Sometimes the immune system reacts too strongly. Allergies are one example. Harmless things like pollen, dust, or peanuts are mistakenly treated as dangerous invaders. The immune system launches an unnecessary attack, causing sneezing, itching, swelling, or even life-threatening reactions. In autoimmune diseases, the mistake becomes even more serious. Instead of attacking harmful microbes, the immune system attacks healthy parts of the body itself. It's like an army confusing its own citizens for the enemy. Scientists continue to study why this happens, hoping to develop better treatments for millions of people around the world. Although your immune system works automatically, your daily choices have a powerful impact on how well it performs. Sleep is one of its greatest allies. While you rest, your body produces important immune cells and repairs damaged tissues. A balanced diet provides the vitamins, minerals, and proteins needed to build new defenders. Regular exercise improves circulation, allowing immune cells to travel more efficiently. Managing stress also matters. Long-term stress can weaken immune responses, making it harder for your body to fight infections. Even the trillions of helpful bacteria living in your gut play an important role. Together, they help train and regulate your immune system throughout your life. In many ways, protecting your health means supporting the invisible army that's always protecting you. Conclusion: right now, as you've been watching this video, countless microscopic battles have been unfolding inside your body. White blood cells have been patrolling your bloodstream. Macrophages have been hunting invaders. Antibodies have been locking onto dangerous microbes. Memory cells have been standing guard, ready for enemies they've defeated before. You never heard them. Alas, you never saw the battles. Yet they happened anyway. The human immune system is one of nature's most extraordinary achievements, a silent guardian that protects you every moment of your life through teamwork, precision, and remarkable biological intelligence. The next time you recover from a cold, heal from a small cut, or simply stay healthy during flu season, remember that an invisible army has been working around the clock on your behalf. And perhaps the most amazing part is this: most of these incredible battles will happen without you ever realizing they took place. If you enjoyed discovering the science behind today's mystery, subscribe to Beyond How, where every video uncovers another fascinating question hiding in plain sight. Until next time, stay curious,